Oh, I've stopped it and started again now. What a fool. Up goes the gate. It's awfully late. Da 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 da, like a beautiful baboon. Do 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 do, like a beautiful baboon. Do 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 do.
Race on.
No, we'll get to the stop sign. We'll stop.
We're getting a thumbs up from the man. Go like the clappers. Oh, they've got a head start on us. Dun 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 dun. Watch out, man, we're going dead fast.
Who's going first? We're going in together.
Going up to the stop sign together.
Rind and a bite. Can't do it. Head's going rind and rind. Try this. Coward and bows like cream line toffee.
Ready for a shower?
Watch out for the dripping waters. Prepare to be baptized.
Stop sign when you get there.
Oh, good job, I've got the captain's hat. Dun 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 dun.
Have you turned it round to see yourself?
No.
They are.
Oh! Coming to the stop sign in the rain.
It's raining.
Stop raining, you foolish
That's
things.
sky up there.
That's where we're headed. Oh, we're crashing now. I told you I should have done it. Look, there goes Home James.
Where are you going?
Home James. People having a lunch at the cafes.
We're going to services, right? Yeah? We're going to Anderton services, right? Yeah, we're on foot to get water there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Home James has just gone past.
Dead wall. Right by him.
Dead water. Oh. Da 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 da. It is. You can see the community garden.
Well, I've got my super special hat.
I've got it on. You can have it if you want it.
Do you want your coat now?
Oh, if I have to.
You don't have to.
I don't want it then. Da 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 da. There goes the man. The man's going to do something else.
Yeah. Very proud of you.
Oh dear God. Look, he's got one of them. Oh God. Why didn't you get one of them stupid coats as well?
A long trench coat.
Yeah. Look at them in there putting coats on. Not like us real men. Oh look, a big slidey thing is coming out of the water. Dun dun dun. Here comes a chopper to chop off your head. Who's going first?
Well, I think they were in first.
Okay, they go first. Is that the etiquette?
Etiquette.
Look at Helen doing etiquette.
Oh God.
Oh my lord. From the devil's own satanic herd.
Is it properly raining?
No, it stopped. That's why I didn't put it on, you see.
I mean, I was going to bring cushions in, but
Bring the official sweets, Helen. Bring the official sweets.
Helen, you're just like me, up and down all the time.
Well, I've got to do this. I'm doing the important job. I'm director of public prosecutions. Quickly, before these go, they need a sweetie. Quick! Quick! Grab a sweetie! Grab a sweetie! Oh, he didn't want one. Look, I've got Chewy. Chew. E. Have sweeties.
Always please.
I like sweeties in my
Thank
pants.
you.
Eat a bloody sweetie.
No, don't like them.
Oh.
You're all right.
You don't like? I thought you were a sweet mad. Like me.
How many could you
Fa
put in your
fa
mouth
fa fa.
at once?
Thousands. Look down there, there's a maze of amazing mazeness. And a maze of amazing. Look at the speed that fella.
Years of bleeding.
Look at the speed of that fella going there. We're not going very fast, are we?
Going backwards.
Are we going back in again for another go? Look, bye-bye, Anderton boat lift. Goodbye. I missed your hand then, man. Oh, there we go. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Oh, you're going to sound the horn. Woohoo! I can't reach from here.
You can go there.
I don't think I can. Yeah, I'm going to sound it now. Oh, I like the... I like it.
I think you just said that we're turning round. I think that was not that.
Oh. Did that man, he looked back at me because I pooped. I have poo-pooed the poo-poo, which in itself was a poo-poo.
The sign says when to stop.
Goodbye, goodbye. Wipe a lonely tear from your eye.
Not wrong.
Cheerio, chin chin, stick it in the bin. Go toot, go toot.
done it.
Oh, I like going toot. Toot's the best bit.
I did too much. It's confusing.
Hi, kids.
We couldn't go.
I'm the captain. I got the hat. Look, that way to Barnton.
No, not excited.
This way to Anderton and Aeroplane. Look at this for super excitement. The Anderton Boat Lift Visitor Centre, an
Might need to open the suite for
occasional concert venue.
Is it?
Is this? Yeah, we've seen bands there. We've seen the Bad Shepherds there, haven't we? Oh, I thought that was Rasher and Die then, and it isn't. Right, goodbye, children.